For more than 4,500 years, the Great Pyramid of Giza has been studied, measured, and mapped. Yet recently, modern scans detected something inside it that doesn't appear in any ancient record. Not damage, not decay, but an unexplained empty space hidden deep within the stone. Welcome to USA Secret Files. For centuries, historians have widely believed that the Great Pyramid was built as a royal tomb. But even among experts, questions never fully disappeared. And like other Egyptian pyramids, the Great Pyramid contains no inscriptions, no definitive burial artifacts, and no clear explanation for several of its internal design choices. Its engineering is precise to a level that still impresses modern scientists, from its alignment with cardinal directions to the mathematical consistency of its structure. And yet, despite decades of research, parts of its interior never seem to fit the traditional tomb explanation, which is why, in the modern era, scientists decided to look inside the pyramid in a completely different way, not with tools or excavation, but with particle scans capable of revealing what the stone itself was hiding. And that's when something unexpected appeared. To explore the Great Pyramid without damaging it, scientists turned to a method normally used in particle physics: muon-scanning. Muons are high-energy particles created when cosmic rays strike Earth's atmosphere. They pass through solid stone, but when they encounter empty space, their path changes. By placing sensitive detectors inside and around the pyramid, researchers were able to map its interior without drilling or excavation. At first, the data looked ordinary. Known chambers appeared exactly where expected. But then, an anomaly emerged. Repeated scans revealed a previously unknown empty space, positioned deep within the pyramid's core above the Grand Gallery. It wasn't small. Based on the data, the void appeared to be tens of meters long, comparable in scale to some of the pyramid's main internal passages. To rule out error, the measurements were independently verified using multiple detectors and different scan positions. The results stayed consistent. This wasn't noise. It wasn't a crack. And it didn't match the shape of natural gaps found in stone. What the scans revealed was a deliberate, structured void, one that had never been documented before. And that raised a question scientists couldn't ignore. Why would the builders of the Great Pyramid create a massive hidden space and leave no record of it? What the scans revealed was not damage, not erosion, and not a natural gap in the stone. Deep inside the Great Pyramid, scientists identified a previously unknown void, hidden above the Grand Gallery, one of the pyramid's most carefully engineered spaces. Based on muon data, the void appears to be comparable in scale to the Grand Gallery itself. Its shape is elongated, its boundaries are defined, and its location is anything but random. This immediately caught researchers' attention. The area above the Grand Gallery is already under extreme structural stress, meaning any empty space there would have required deliberate planning, not accident. Yet this void does not connect to any known chamber. There are no visible entrances, and no ancient records describe its purpose. Scientists have proposed multiple theories, from stress relief architecture to an undiscovered internal passage, but no confirmed explanation exists. What makes this discovery especially unsettling is not just the void itself, but the fact that it sits at the heart of the pyramid's most critical design zone, which leads to a question that still has no clear answer. Why would the builders of the Great Pyramid create a large, hidden space in one of its most structurally important areas, and then leave it completely sealed? After confirming the void above the Grand Gallery, scientists began exploring possible explanations. Some proposed it could be a stress relief chamber, designed to protect critical sections of the pyramid from the immense weight above. This theory aligns with the precise engineering of the structure, where even minor structural errors could have catastrophic consequences. Others suggested it might be an undiscovered internal passage, potentially connecting key chambers that we have yet to detect. If true, it would reveal a hidden layer of complexity in the pyramid's design. A third idea is more symbolic. The void may reflect a ritual or cultural purpose, encoded in ways that are no longer documented or understood. A message from the ancient builders, deliberately left mysterious. Despite these theories, no confirmed explanation exists. Each possibility raises as many questions as it answers. And one critical question remains, one that links directly to the pyramid's most puzzling design choice. Why seal such a massive, structurally significant space in the heart of the pyramid and leave it undiscovered for thousands of years. This is the mystery that sets the stage for the next phase of discovery. This discovery doesn't prove wild theories, but it proves one powerful truth. We still don't fully understand the most famous structure ever built. The Great Pyramid is not finished revealing its story. And as modern science peers deeper into ancient stone, one thing becomes clear. History still has secrets waiting to be discovered. And maybe the greatest discovery inside the Great Pyramid is the reminder that human history is far more complex than we ever imagined.